This is a lower parking lot. It's and then there's an upper parking lot. Oh, you're gonna fly back. There's the hose. Very cool. You able to get down on them closer, or do you not dare?
Yeah, I'm gonna gimbal up.
This.
Is that cool?
With mine, we're capturing the audio. We're probably gonna lay over.
I'm capturing it with this thing too.
Oh, okay. Cool.
I just don't know how to get it to my computer. Look at that.
You able to get right down on where they're working? Or we could do that down there, huh?
Yeah.
We just go down there and get that. Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that later. Is that cool or what?
That's cool. We're 300 feet up. We're way up there on the top of those trees you see in the picture. We're way up there filming this from the opposite view.
Coming back now, look at that.
That's so cool. Does it know how to find its way right back to us?
Yeah. I might get it to help me.
See if you can get in on that waterfall while you're up there.
Oh yeah, where's it at?